Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser and then evenly apply toner. Apply a 0.5 cm thick layer of gel evenly to the face. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles O. The operator must also wear goggles. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Tap the face on the screen representation. Then tap SHR stack settings. Fluence 80 joules per square meter. Stack 04. Cooling level 4. Apply a stamping technique horizontally across the entire face, ensuring the treatment head is pressed against the ski. Press the handle button for each treatment spot. Repeat on the other side. Remove the goggles and washcloth. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner serum and cream. Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Shave the treatment area with the razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply a generous layer of gel to the treatment area. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles O. The operator must also wear goggles. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Tap the arm on the screen representation. Then tap SHR settings pulse width 85 ms time 5 minutes. Frequency 4 Hz. Grid size 3 square centimeters. Cooling level 4. Apply vertical stamping motions evenly across the treatment area. Wipe the treatment area. Black face doll treatment. Effect deep cleansing and pore tightening. Cleanse the back with a cleansing wipe. Evenly apply gel to the treatment area and allow it to dry. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the black treatment head to the handle. Settings select 1064 nanometers. MJ setting 800 megajoules, frequency 2 Hz. Press the ready button, then activate the foot switch to begin the process. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the back. Hold the pedal down and move the handles smoothly across the face until the carbon gel is fully removed. Cleanse the back with a cleansing wipe. Cover the back with the gauze, then apply the body clay mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the back. Apply toner and body lotion to ski. Mole removal 1064 nanometers. Wipe the treatment area. Apply anesthesia to the target area. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes and then cleanse the area. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles O. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the 1064 nanometers treatment head to the handle. Settings. MJ settings 800 megajoules, frequency 2 Hz. Tap ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the mole area and press the pedal with each operation. Apply a repair product to the treated area. Tattoo removal 532 nanometers. This is an example only. The specific setting should be based on the recipient's conditions. Attach the 532 nanometers treatment head to the handle. Settings MJ settings 350 MJ. Hertz setting 1 Hz. Tap ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the target area and press the pedal with each operation.